Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today I'm going to show you how to see any previous connected Wi-Fi passwords on your iPhone, iPad, only in iOS 16 versions iPhone. So guys, I have iPhone access with iPhone iOS 16 version. So here you can see guys, I have installed iOS 16 on my iPhone. So simply, how can we get previous connected all Wi-Fi passwords on iPhone in one click? So let's get started. So simply go back, open settings, tap on Wi-Fi. So tap on edit in the right corner. So here you can see guys, I have three connected Wi-Fi's in my iPhone. So simply tap on the first Wi-Fi in the eye icon. So tap on password. So here you can see this, my password is showing. So go back and select on second Wi-Fi and tap on password. It's showing password. So it's the simple method for seeing any previous connected Wi-Fi password on your iPhone or iPad only in iOS 16 version. So thanks for watching this guys. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.